Here's a short story blending storytelling with real solutions. The Last Mango Tree. In a small village near the edge of a once thick forest, there stood the last mango tree. Children used to climb dozens of trees in summer, laughing in the shade, but now only one remained. Amina, a curious 12-year-old, often sat under its branches. One hot afternoon, she asked her grandmother,
"Why are the rains late again? Why is the river so dry?"
Her grandmother sighed.
It's the Earth's way of telling us she is unwell. We cut too many trees, burn too much coal, and throw away too much plastic. The air gets hotter, the rains change, and nature suffers.
That night, Amina dreamed the mango tree spoke to her. "Save me and you save yourselves."
If people plant more trees, use the sun and wind for energy, waste less, and care for water, I will not be the last.
The next day, Amina gathered her friends. They planted saplings along the riverbank, cleaned the plastic from the fields, and convinced their parents to ride bicycles to the market instead of using motorbikes for every short trip. Slowly, the villagers joined in. Years later, when Amina grew older, the forest began to return. The rains came more gently, and children once again played in the cool shade. Real solutions to climate change from the story. Plant more trees. Trees absorb carbon and cool the earth. Switch to clean energy. Use solar, wind, or hydro power instead of coal and oil. Save water. Harvest rainwater and fix leaks. Reduce waste. Recycle, compost, and cut down single-use plastics. Sustainable transport. Use bicycles, public transport, or electric vehicles. Community awareness. Share knowledge and take action together. Would you like me to make this story short and simple for children, like a fable, or a bit more serious for adults, with deeper details?